Okay, Simonini Pirates siyajabula nge-draw. We believe the draw was fair and so sitfonsile kaMabhakaniya sifanze imbabane Swallows, so asihambeni Mabhakaniya so support team. I-team iyadlala Mabhakaniya mhla ka-12 ngitobe ngomsombuluko Mabhakaniya. Basado sinika ivenue ukuthi igame itobe kuphi, so we are hopeful ukuthi igame itobe kaSomhlolo. If ikaSomhlolo igame asihambeni Mabhakaniya so support team sihlabelele thina siyanithemba Mabhakaniya ukuthi nine nindakhona ku-support team and i-team i-connect i-performer to their fullest, and we also trust our players and also trust the technical team yeMonini Pirates ukuthi nayo will do their level best ukuthi babringe the best results, because sina sifisile yeMonini Pirates sifisa khona sifise khona ukuthi manje sigcine siphakamise inye ngomisho leti ngomisho ezikhona sesidlalele sesidlalile for 8bet sakhona fair final azange sikhona kuyithatha nayo ingonyama cup seyikhona nyalo igame lenye lena. We believe ukuthi team tatmisela and it's going to take us ukuthi igcine sifikisa ama final, so asibuye eMabhakaniya. It's a big game, a big game. Asibuyele eMabhakaniya supporting the team. We are hopeful for the best result, and thank you so much Mabhakaniya. Fasa Spoko, Fasa Ni.